Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Hope you're sheltering in place as much as you can, but still getting out there and getting after it, making things happen. A lot of people are asking right now if this is a good time to buy, right? Because there's a lot going on. Question is right now a good time to buy? Are we at the top of the market? What's going on out there? So I just wanted to touch on that real quick. A couple main points that I wanted to make. First of all, trying to time the market is a fool's errand, okay? People thought 5 years ago, 6 years ago, we could be at the top. Those people missed out on huge opportunity over this last 4 or 5 years that they could have got in on, but they're sitting on the sidelines. If you are buying a long term, especially if you're buying for cash flow, you're buying investment purposes, if you're buying right, it's a good time to buy always. Secondly, rates are super low. Rates are amazing right now. It's a great opportunity to take advantage of locking into long-term, low-interest debt that is going to help your income property perform better. Too many people focus on asset price versus cash flow. Stock market, real estate, whatever the investment, so many people focus on, I want to buy low, I want to sell high. There's nothing wrong with that, but that is just a piece of investing. If you're investing for income property, real estate, don't focus so much just on the asset price. If you're buying today and you have a great interest rate, you have solid rents, you have a good renter base, and you're in it for the long term, so what if the market dips a little bit? It's going to be back. We're in an inflationary economy. Prices will go up over time if you are in it in a solid fashion and you can weather out any adjustments in valuations. Then I think it's a great time to buy. If you're in something short term where you are maybe in a short term debt situation, you're repositioning something you're going to have to refinance out of, you may want to be a little bit more cautious on those things. We kind of can see the next few months maybe, but 6 months to a year from now, we don't really know what that's going to look like. So you just want to be careful in those scenarios. Maybe just be a little bit more conservative than you would be going into something like that. But I still think it's a great time to buy. I'm out there looking at opportunities right now. I encourage you to do the same thing. From a homeowner perspective, I would still say if you're looking at something from a long-term perspective, you have to live somewhere. If you can lock in with a really great interest rate right now and you're going to be there 7, 8, 10 years, I think it's still a great time to buy as well. If you're looking at something that's maybe a transition, you might stay there for a year, 2, 3 years, maybe take a little bit more conservative approach on that. But if you're in it for the long term and you can lock in that long term low interest debt, I think it's a great time to be out there looking for something. There's opportunity. Don't miss out. Be active in the marketplace. Be smart. Be educated. Find good help. And don't sit on the sidelines. Go out there and make things happen.